Hello beautiful friends, welcome to Cassia Naturals. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make hibiscus rice detangler to avoid knots and tangles after protective hairstyle for 1 month. So rice water is a starchy water left over after rice is cooked or left to soak. It is thought to make the hair smooth and shiny as well as help it grow faster. So grains contain 75 to 80% starch. Rice water is thought to contain many of the vitamins and minerals contained in rice. So actually, I've been using rice water. I was in a challenge of using rice water, and I've come back, to use rice. So the chemical constituents of rice water is that rice water grains constitutes of 12% water, 75 to 80% starch, that is carbohydrates, 70% protein, 3% fat, and 3% fibers. So it has antioxidants and colic and cancer, of course, anti-matogenic. So rice water also has vitamin B, C, E, and minerals which promote skin cell growth and stimulate blood flow. So does rice water make your hair grow? So before we dive if rice water really does work for your hair, let's have a little history lesson here. So according to a study from the International Journal of Cosmetic Science, the use of rice water for healthy hair, long hair, dates back to the Heian period in Japanese history, where court ladies were said to have combed their hair each day using yusuru, the water obtained from the rinsing of rice, resulting in beautiful long hair and rich the flow. So also in the Chinese village of Haogolo, home to native Red Yao, women in the Guinness Book of Records of the World longest hair village, the women here boast long, lustrous, and healthy hair that is consistently maintained. So it is a secret to their fabulous maintained hair. An ancient but extremely simple Chinese remedy is rice water. So even in Korea, actually, and other East Asian countries like Thailand, Cambodia, Indonesia have a history of using rice water as a key beauty supplement. So of course that sounds good to be true, right? So actually the study that Yusuru did provide positive hair care effects, including reduced surface friction and increased hair elasticity. Rice bran extract and components of it, including lauric acid and gamma, were examined in a study from biological and pharmaceutical bulletin. The study found that lauric acid and gamma or Orazino induce the formation of hair follicles and promote hair growth. Backing this up, a study from the Journal of Nutrition and Food Sciences notes that ferulic acid is present in gamma ozano and that ferulic acid stimulates growth. So rice water will actually boost hair shine and smooth and rasta. Rice water will also promote hair growth. Rice water will also eliminate dandruff flakes. So friends, hibiscus also is good. It's rich in vitamin C, flavonoids, amino acids, mucilage, fiber, moisture content, and antioxidant. The goodness of hibiscus beautifies your hair by nourishing your locks, promoting the growth of luscious hair, and bringing out a natural satin soft to your mane. Hence, hibiscus is a fantastic herb to add to your hair care routine. So the benefits. So hibiscus are packed with resilient properties that can keep your scalp protected from external stressors. Its impact on your scalp act as a sunscreen to protect your hair from UV rays. Cleansing properties of hibiscus also balances the pH of your scalp, fight oiliness, build up dandruff, and active your hair follicles. Hibiscus is also good. It will actually, help hair root strength. Hibiscus are rich in invigorating ingredients, flavonoids, and amino acids. Flavonoids enhance blood circulation to your follicles. You transform dormant follicles into hair follicles, stimulating new growth. Amino acids trigger keratin production in the cells of your hair follicles, encouraging hair healthy growth. Hibiscus will also delay premature graying of hair. Elevated pitta dosha may cause premature graying of hair. Hibiscus is rich in natural pigments, antioxidants, and vitamins that can give a crimson tinge to your gray hair and bring out darker shine to your natural hair color. Hibiscus will also prevent dandruff. It will also deeply condition your hair. So elevated vata dosha makes your hair dry, frizzy, with split ends. Hibiscus acts as an ultra emollient that traps moisture in your hair shafts and restore elasticity in your hair strands. Its mucilage fiber prevents breakage and conditions your hair to make it silky and soft. So that is what we are looking for. Have you seen it has so much sleep? So subscribe to our channel if you haven't, and give this video a like and comment in the section below, friends, if you have tried out rice and hibiscus detangler. So friends, like, I've tried quite a number of DIY detanglers. I'm going to link them in the description box below. So of course I'm going to detangle my hair. So I start on pre-pulled hair. So I'll link the video in the description box below, and some of the videos I did when I was trying to remedy breakage of rice water and aloe. I'll link them in the description box below. So I really appreciate you guys, for watching my videos and for subscribing. So when you subscribe to our channel, you help your friend, your lady, your girl, so that the video can be recommended to different audience, or rather to a bigger audience. So friends, like, I'm in a challenge. If you are new on my channel, or if you belong on this channel, actually I'm in a challenge of 6 months twist protective hairstyle without added hair. So like, now we are in the 60th month of June, our last month, and this is my first treatment actually in June. So friends, like, my hair has drastically improved. There's some length, there's some volume, as you can see. So detangling hair after a protective hairstyle is very, very important and very critical, so that we prevent more tangles and knots. So like, your hair will be so moisturized even after detangling, and there's so much sleep, friends. Like, I really loved the detangler very much. Like, I'll be incorporating it in my hair routine often. Of course, I've done quite a number of videos on detanglers, and I really love all of them. I'm going to link them in the description box below. So make sure that you detangle in sections. As you can see, like, I start off with a small section, and make sure that you set aside time when you are not busy to detangle your hair, because it needs a lot of time, and you need to eat, friends. You don't have to do this on an empty stomach, because it will take some time. Yes, so subscribe to our channel, friends, if you haven't, and give this video a like, and comment in the section below, friends, if you have tried out rice and hibiscus detangler. So like, friends, I made a huge batch of rice and hibiscus detangler. So what I'm going to do in the next video, like, I'm going to just customize this base and add in, like, oils and hydrolyzed protein to make protein strengthening treatment. So look out for this video. It will be uploaded soon. So once I'm done with a particular section, I braid it so that I move on to another section. This helps us very much, so that we cut our hair in sections, and it makes working in sections very easy. So like, whatever I do it in sections. So like, as you can see, that is how much hair has come from that section. Very minimal, actually, friends. Like, after 1 month, can you imagine? Like, I'm going to show you the amount of shade. So beloved friends, like, the amino acids in rice water will strengthen the hair roots. It also has inositol, which is a carbohydrate that helps to strengthen the hair. So the rice makes it easier to detangle, which leads to less breakage. So using rice water for hair is an easy way to ensure your hair looks shiny and full of rasta, as rice adds a layer of protection, especially against the pollution in the air, heat inducing electronic hair appliances, chemical in hair care products, and etc. So this makes the hair lose its shine. And the rice also will ensure that hair remains smoothie and shine. Rice is a natural condition actually that gives the hair a good bounce. So friends, like, rice water will also help for hair growth. Like, there are a lot of videos which have been done on rice water. Another important reason to use rice for your hair is the fact that it helps hair growth. You can see the increase in short span itself, as the rice water helps protect the hair from damage. The hair remains healthy. The protein boosts that rice water gives to the hair help it to grow faster. Of course, as you may be aware, I didn't use fermented rice water. You can use fermented rice water if you wish, but I wanted the whole rice, friends, so it works well as well. Of course, in a challenge where I was trying to remedy breakage, I used the fermented rice water. So like, I'll be using rice water. I'll come back to rice water, friends, and rice deep conditioners. Yes, so that is how much breakage at this point. So, of course, like, you know, using rice actually will make your hair softer and less breakage, in combination with hibiscus, which has a lot of mucilage. So you can even mix rice and okra. You can use slippery elm. You can use some fenugreek. You can use some flax seeds. All those products which have mucilage, they are so helpful. So in as much as you are trying to grow out your hair, you have to make sure that you incorporate detangling, friends, because hair sheds 50 to 100 strands every day. So you don't have to be worried about how much hair you are shedding or which is coming out, unless if it's coming out in chunks. But it is normal to have shady hair. You can only be worried if it's coming out in bigger chunks. So friends, like I always work in sections, like I mentioned earlier on, and if I feel that there's a tangle, I concentrate on that section and separate that section very well. So once I'm done, then I'll braid that section and move on to another section. So subscribe to our channel, friends, if you haven't, and give this video a like, share to friends whom you think they can benefit, and in groups where they can benefit. So of course, you can purchase some hibiscus in some Indian shops or any grocery store. They are actually easy to find, and rice water is readily available. So this is a DIY detangler which will actually reduce you spending a lot of bucks or money, friends. Yes, so of course, in as much as I formulate natural hair products for sale or cosmetic, I also love just doing DIY with simple remedies that you can actually easily access. But of course, you know what? I do make detanglers at a cosmetic level, where I also include some hibiscus and other ingredients like slippery elm, you know. But for rice, of course, I did make a deep conditioner for my friend who had asked for a rice deep conditioner, and it really worked perfect, friends. So hibiscus is rich in invigorating ingredients, flavonoids, and amino acids. So flavonoids enhance blood flow to your hair follicles and will transform dormant follicles into hair follicles, stimulating new hair growth. Amino acids trigger keratin production in the cells of your hair follicles, encouraging healthy hair. So hibiscus will also delay premature graying of hair. So elevated pitta dosha may cause premature graying of hair. Hibiscus is rich in natural pigments, so it will really help if you have gray hair, and it will also prevent dandruff, friends. So detangling hair, incorporating detangling in your hair routine will actually help your hair to grow, because you have less tangles in your hair. This is a very important step which you need to actually incorporate in your routine if you haven't. And in as much as you are trying to grow your natural hair, make sure that you don't skip this step, because if you have tangled hair, it will actually prevent hair growth, because it will affect the whole hair. So now we are coming at the back. I'm almost done, and I love this detangler because it really worked very well, friends. So this is something that I'll be incorporating in my arrangement, and of course I'll be adding in a few ingredients like with other detanglers which I've done on this channel. So subscribe to our channel, friends, if you haven't, and give this video a like and comment in the section. And comment in the section below if there's something you'd want to be done, or a certain video you'd want us to cover. You can comment in the section below. So on this channel, I upload videos every day. Make sure that you come back and check for more videos every day. So as you can see, when I feel that there are tangles in at a particular section, I work it through gently. Don't be rough, and be very patient, friends. Yes, so this is a very important step which I don't miss in my routine, especially if you are do protective hairstyles. So how often should you detangle your hair? So it depends with what you're doing with your hair. So if you detangle every week, it means you don't have to detangle frequently. So once per week, it's okay. But if you are in a protective hair challenge, like you can detangle after you have undone your protective hairstyle. So friends, like my hair is growing. If you've been long on this channel, like there's a lot of improvement. Yes, so like I can't wait once we are done with our 6 month hair challenge, which has taken actually 6 months. So we are in the 60th month, first week of June. So by God's grace, I'm going to share, the update of our 6 month hair challenge, the disadvantages, the advantages, or did we achieve, our goal? Because my goal is to retain 3 inches of hair. So of course, hair grows half an inch per month. So of course, in some people they might grow more hair, some it may be less, depending on the hair. Yes. So like for you to see growth, it takes a lot of patience, and a consistency over doing your routine or what you do with your hair. And of course, if you've been long on this channel, like I avoid heat, and I avoid manipulating my hair. So those are some of the key tips which have actually helped me to grow my hair. So that is how much breakage, friends. Look at that, friends. Like that's minimal. Of course, look at that. That's not so much, friends. Have you seen? Yeah, so that is how much is left. So you can actually store it in the fridge and then use it for the next treatment or detangling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to preserve it since I have a preservative. So thank you so much for watching, dear friends. Subscribe.